Hello everyone, let us study the laws of reflection today. So basically reflection ki hoy whenever you have a reflecting surface mane eta enekwa surface juntut light ba electromagnetic wave jetia incident hoy akko he medium to le ghuri jay mane this surface separates two medium. This is first medium and this is the second medium. So reflection howa boli ami ketia kom jetia first medium or pora ray to ahi ase ahi etu medium ot nahe original medium to akko return ho jay. Okay, then we say that reflection has occurred. This ray is called the incident ray, this ray is called the reflected ray. Similarly, this angle is called the angle of incidence and this angle will be called the angle of reflection. Aru etu ki boli kom, this is called the normal. Suppose etu n hoy n dash, n point to kami point of incidence boli kom. This is very important to remember. This point is called the point of incidence. So incident ray, reflected ray, normal drawn at the point of incidence. It a laws of reflection ki koise very easy. The first statement in the laws of reflection is that the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal drawn at the point of incidence all lie on the same plane. Tamane suppose this is O N O dash. Ki kom ami O N N dash and N O dash are in same plane. Same plane thoka mane ki the board is one plane. Boardot jodi etu lie koise boardot etu lie koribo enike boardor pora ulai ahibo nware ba bhitorole gusi jabo nware. So that is the simple meaning. Second to ki hoy jonto more important hoy, this states that the angle of incidence I is always equal to the angle of reflection R. Okay, so that is it, the laws of reflection. Thank you.